okay? All right, now it's time to talk about single hair color application. A single color applied with a single technique to get the job done. And yes, this can be a semi-permanent, a demi-permanent, a permanent. It could even be a retouch. It could even be a bleach or lightening. I am going to be doing a single color application on virgin hair, going lighter with permanent color, because if you don't have color on your hair, you can use color to lift and deposit tone in one step. It's a beautiful way to get the color that you want. Before we do that, of course, we got to glove up. Oh, choosing my ion permanent color. This is a 1-to-1 ratio. How do I know that? Because I read the manufacturer's instructions. Now all we have to do is take this and dump it into our bowl and whip it good. Once we mix these two formulations together, the timing starts. So let's get to it. Using 1/4 inch subsections, I will stay away from the hot zone, and I'm going to apply my color to zones 2 all the way down to zone number 3. We're going to have to stay off of zone number 1 when going lighter. We do not want the heat radiating from our body to accelerate that color processing. Make sure you get total saturation, and the way to do that is by using enough product, and as you go down, come back up and go left and right. Doing a vertical up and down and a horizontal painting technique ensures that all of that hair gets opened up and receives that permanent color. So we will move it through and let that drape. You can see we're off of zone 1 there, so we don't have to worry about this color processing yet in that hot zone because we haven't applied color there. When we're going lighter, it's important to take 1/4 inch subsections because we want every single hair singing the same song at the same time. So you see, I've just completed the zones 2 and 3 application. So let's say we've completed zones 2 and 3 through all 4 quadrants. Now we are going to go back to our first quadrant. We're going to go back to that first section, and now we apply the color to zone number 1. We're just going to marry and mush all of that color right at the root. When you are along the hairline, a little tip and trick for you, instead of painting down, I want you to pull the hair up and away. This is going to allow you to feather it into your hairline, really outlining and defining your hairline to avoid any color getting on the skin. When you put the hair down and paint down, look what happens. It mushes all that color and you lift it up and you have color all over your skin. So if you can lift it up just at the hairline and paint it, then you're able to marry zones 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 done. I'll continue working my way up through all 4 quadrants, and that will be your entire virgin, permanent, going lighter color application. Now, we are working with permanent hair color, so timing is going to be everything. It is mega important to run the full length of the manufacturer's suggested processing time. I think we get into results that we don't want when we look in the mirror with permanent color and think, oh no, it's going darker. You've got to let it run its course. Again, I'm at the hairline, pull the hair up, back and away, tilt your brush so it's at a diagonal, and it allows you to feather your way up, marry in those zones 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and you could even take them all together with your wide tooth comb and make sure they're completely saturated all the way through. This further ensures that all of that hair is wrapped up in that beautiful permanent color going lighter. And that's it. You completed your virgin permanent hair color application going lighter. Now, a few things I want to share with you. When you're applying, remember to stay off of zone 1 when you are going lighter because of our natural body heat. It's going to process that quicker. Start in zones 2 and 3. building your way from the bottom all the way to the top. This will help you work cleanly and neatly and ensure every hair is wrapped up in that permanent color. Before applying your zone 1 formulation at the root, remix a whole new fresh batch of color. The reason why I suggest that is because if it's taken you a while, which is okay, that processing has already begun. So you wanna make sure that the color is as fresh as can be, so it's all doing the same thing. All right, so if you follow those best practices, I think you'll be able to go lighter like a pro at home. Congratulations. To begin your color journey or to continue along, I really encourage you to check out all these incredible videos that you can learn from.